Alright, it's Rich here from Bristol Rock Centre, and today we're going to be doing You're Gonna Miss Me by the 13th Floor Elevators, which was a single they released in 1966. The 13th Floor Elevators featured Rocky Erickson on vocals, who later on went to be an absolute legend. A lot of people reckon his 1960s stuff was his best, but actually I like his 1970s and 1980s stuff. I think is better, especially his album Gremlins Have Pictures. But anyway, that's besides the point. This is You're Gonna Miss Me from 1966. So it starts off with an E chord, a D chord, an A chord, and a G chord, which is technically in the key of D, and the 2 chord D turn from a minor to a major, so you've got the 4 major chords. It starts off with 1 hit, 1 hit, 1 hit, 2 hit. Easy. And then the whole of the song really is just that just cycling through the E, the D, the A and the G. But during the song they place more of an emphasis on the upstroke on the chord, so it's like so you've got a down and up. The first is almost like a sort of scratch or a silent-ish sort of chord. So you've got the big one is the up, the second strum, down, up, it's down, up. The up is the big stroke, and That's most of the song really. It's got a psychedelic trippy bit in the middle where he just plays an open E to a G. Well, it wasn't actually Rocky Erickson, wasn't the guitarist. I think it was Stacey somebody, not too sure. And he goes like goes on for ages. And then after that, there's a chord bashed out at the bottom. Most people have this as an E major, but I think it's an E7 myself. And he just goes. Then there's a key change into A flat, starting off with what should be a C minor, which is the 3 chord of A flat, but it's turned into a C7, which is a common substitution. Now, so you got then down to A, then down to B flat, then down to A flat, then back up, and the same. And then there's another key change there into the key of C, where you've got the 4 chord major F going to the 2 chord of C, D, which should be a minor, but it's played as a major. In fact, in a lot of 1960s psychedelic stuff, whatever key you're in, the 3 chord was often turned into a major or a 7, and the 2 chord was very rarely played as a minor and usually played as a major. And this would have been dead handy if you didn't want to sound like the Beatles. So I was going to run through all the bits of it again. So you've got and then the psychedelic bit. To the E7, to the C7, down to the F, does that a few times, then drops down to a big E. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, then back into that's how to play You're Gonna Miss Me by the 13th Floor Elevators. If you're not familiar with their work or Rocky Erickson's later work, you should be, because it's fantastic. Bye for now, and I'll do another lesson soon. Cheers.